let's learn how to add expenses. So simply click Add Expense Reimbursement. Now, this screen is used when you want to make a claim of expense from the business or company. This screen is not used when an expense is not paid by director or employee out of their pocket or personal account. You can only claim through the screen when you're paying out of your personal account or in cash. This screen is only for actual expenses and not for allowances, supplier payments, tax payments of the company made by director. Please note, if you are claiming actual expenses, then please be careful that do not end up claiming allowances as well for the same category. Else it can create duplication. For example, if you're claiming lunch bills, then please do not claim travel and sub allowances for food. Similarly, if you go abroad and claim actual expenses, then do not claim foreign travel allowance. You have the option to upload your receipts, which can be reconciled to your claims, keeping reconciliation of accounts quite easy and straightforward. To show you how to add expenses, firstly you simply choose the employee that you want to add expenses for. Then you put the dates for which you want to add the expenses for. Choose the category, for example, let's say travel. You paid for 2 tickets to travel to client's office. The amount you paid was £10, including £2, example, of VAT. And then you simply press save. That's it. You will be able to see your added expense under expense reimbursement. Now let's learn how to add payments made from personal account to a supplier or to the tax authority in the UK. You would simply press Add Payment. And remember, this menu is used for recording any payments of company taxes or suppliers by director, employee or business owner. For example, supplier needs urgent payments but company does not have money or funds in their bank account. In that situation, director uses his personal credit card to make the payments to supplier. This payment must be recorded using the screen. In case director or an employee or business owner pays company taxes like VAT, payroll or company tax, then this must be recorded using the screen. This way you can reconcile your balance which you need to take from the company. Let me show you how to add this expense type. Simply choose the employee which has made the payment. You would enter the date, say 23rd of October. You choose the payment type. Let's say the payment was made to DNS Associates for accounting fee, and the total was 120. And then you would click Save, and you would find that that payment appears here. Now let me talk you through allowances. I can tell you it can never get better. This screen is a great way to make sure that you claim all your allowances which you are legally eligible to claim. We'll continue to update the full list of allowances and make sure you do not miss any allowances. All you got to do is click on Add Allowance, and then on next screen you will be able to add allowances just like you were able to add expenses which we showed you earlier. You can claim the following allowances. You can claim food allowance or subsistence allowance, foreign subsistence allowance. You can claim annual function allowance. You can claim incidental overnight allowance, relocation allowance, and many more. Please do note that for each allowance claim, we must make sure that we comply with them. Please check the details with your account manager or your portfolio manager, and they can send you the laws around allowances. Please note that the following allowances are claimed separately. use of home office allowance, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and mileage allowance, which I'll talk separately as well. So this will make sure you do not miss any allowance and help you maximize your claims from the company. You should not claim allowance along with actual expenses to avoid duplication. So if you're claiming actual expenses based on receipts, please avoid claiming allowances for those expenses. Now let's learn how to do this. All you got to do is choose the employee who has made this expenditure or for whom you want to claim this allowance for. Then you select the date, let's say in October it was 29. Then you select the type of allowance that you're making, which is 1 meal rate. And then you can put the notes here for 20 days. And then you can multiply £5, so 20 days to get £100, and just click save. That's it, and you can see allowances here now. Now lastly, let's learn how to claim mileage. When you drive your van, motor car or bike for business purposes, you can claim mileage allowance from your business. All you need to do is simply click add mileage, select the employee who's driving the car, van or bike, and then put the date of travel, let's say it was 22nd of October. Choose the type of vehicle that was used for travel. Put the description or the reason for travel, and put the total miles that you did for that travel, let's say 30 miles, and simply click save. Then the system would calculate the pounds that you claimed for this travel automatically. Can you see for 30 miles, it's giving you to claim £13.5 for its 30 miles. Please note that you cannot claim petrol or repairs and maintenance expenses if you're claiming mileage. So there are two approaches to claim motor expenses. First, you can claim actual expenses of petrol, maintenance and repairs which are relevant to business and do not claim mileage. Method 2 is more about claiming mileage. It's more simple and easy, as you've seen. You should use this method for fuel efficient cars or new cars. So if you have a very old car with poor fuel efficiency and needing regular repairs and maintenance, you may be better off claiming actual expenses rather than mileage.